only talking to people who want to save money on their housing costs. Everybody else can just click off.
This is the best kept secret in home ownership. Not enough people are trying.
Guys, we are talking about house hacking.
And we're going to show you a property that's house hackable. Try saying that 3 times. House hackable. House hackable. And we're going to break down the monthly payment and savings you actually get from house hacking.
And then at the very, very end, we are going to show you a bonus of how you can get into our Home Buyer Masterclass. This is Love and Real Estate.
Hi, my name is Amanda.
My name is AD.
And we run a local real estate company called the Dopco Group.
Every week, we're going to take you into communities, restaurants, and experiences in DC and the surrounding areas.
Just think of us as your personal real estate agents. Enjoy the show.
Guys, this is undeniable. Housing costs is getting higher than ever.
So something has to give.
Something has to give, AD. That was my line, by the way. So guys, instead of you giving up on your entire home buying goal or becoming an investor or just saying, you know what, this is not going to happen for me, I want you to consider this simple hack: house hacking.
House hacking is a strategy where you buy a property and rent out parts of it to generate income, helping you to cover your mortgage and living expenses. For example, you might live in one unit of a multifamily home and rent out the other units, or rent out a spare bedroom in a single family or a townhome. This approach makes home ownership super affordable and can even allow you to live for free. Did I mention AD and I actually house hacked with our first home? Yes, we did. And we still own that house to this day. But that is just scratching the surface. For those of you who do not want to do this full time, what if I told you you could do this short term? Yes, there's short-term house hacking. For instance, if you have a house with a pool or a hot tub, did you know that you could rent that thing out for $100 an hour with this app called Swimply? Yes, it is the Airbnb for pools. Or what about if you have a really nice kitchen or a living room or a basement for content creators? Yes, content creators will rent that space on Peerspace.com. And those listings are starting as low as $75 an hour. And I have seen listings as high as $325 an hour, and they get really, really expensive. And then, of course, the obvious Airbnb. What if you're in the military? Or you're a travel nurse? What? Oh my goodness! And you spend half your time in one spot and half your time in another spot. Your property could be income generating. It doesn't have to be forever. So I want to make this very clear. You are not stuck with a mortgage payment. Ownership with real estate is freedom. It is income driving. It is wealth building. And if you want to supplement it for a short period of time or indefinitely, it is completely possible. Now, let's jump into a real life house hack tour with an actual client.
Oh man, this is wonderful, guys. Halfway point.
Halfway point. If you're still watching this video, we got to be doing something right.
Yeah, honestly, I thought we were at the end of it.
Not at all.
But if you are still watching this video, guys, if you want the best of all things real estate and how to get the best or the most out of your purchase, I want you to go ahead and subscribe right now. Also, if you want to know more about the Dopco Group, don't forget to go to info@thedopcogroup.com. Now, let's get back to the episode.
Alright guys, we're here at our next stop. I'm actually going to take you to a tour of a home that is house hackable. So come along and let's take a look. Alright guys, so welcome. We are here in the townhome. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome in Silver Spring. So we're actually greeted by the kitchen right to my right. So this has everything that you're looking for. We have granite countertops. We have stainless steel. We have white cabinets. Now, I do see you said white refrigerator. She is going to change that to stainless steel. And there's one thing that is missing. It's actually a dishwasher. Now, I like a dishwasher in my home, and a lot of you do. We're going to help her install one as well. So this now has every functionable item you need in the kitchen to get down to cook, whatever you like to do. Come on along, let's see this. So we're greeted here by the living room, right? So we have our dining room to my right, well, right under me, and then we also have this fireplace that is anchored, and we also have a deck. So if you like to entertain, if you like to grill, that is perfect. Now I'm gonna take you to the upstairs and show you the bedrooms. Awesome, guys. So we are here at upper level 1. So we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. So what our client is actually going to do, she's actually going to live in one of these bedrooms and she's going to rent one out, right? And there are a lot of people that are probably thinking that you have to be married to buy a home. FYI, she's single. You don't. You could be an individual buying a home. If you really want to save money, you can actually rent both of these rooms out. So let me give you some numbers, right? Some rental numbers. So if you're going to rent both of these rooms out, right, you're going to find rents are going to be between $800 to $1,000. And the reason why is because they're sharing a bathroom. Our client is going to personally live up here and rent the other room out. Now I'm going to show you the basement unit where you can also rent out that space as well. All right, so I'm really excited because we actually have this basement that has a full door here, right? So whomever lived here before already had the idea. They were probably going to rent this out. So let me show you what this looks like. So we have this common area that you can make a kitchenette, it could be a living room, whatever to really give your tenant privacy, right? This is what our client plans to do. And if you walk with me, we're greeted here by the bedroom. So this actually has a closet, right? And it actually has a window for you as well to be able to get sunlight. And this room is gonna go for anywhere between $1,000 to $1,300. It also has an ensuite bathroom. So this has the privacy that you need to be able to give your tenant, but also be able to charge a really good price. Now I'm going to take you to the main level to finish out this tour. All right, guys, we finished our tour. So this house is actually $375,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. But I already have folks in the comments. I already hear the naysayers saying that I don't want to live with anybody. This is too hard. You're giving us every reason of why this is not going to work. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the person that wants to be a first-time home buyer, the person that wants to own investment properties, the person that wants to be a landlord. This is one of the simplest ways for you to actually be able to do it. Now, I want to be clear. Anything that is worthwhile, it's going to be challenging, guys. Life is hard. But if you want to do it, we're here to practically help you get it done. This is what we did for our client. So now I'm really going to take you to Amanda, who's actually going to break down the real life savings of why this is important and why it's worth it.
Okay guys, how did you enjoy AD's house hacking home tour? Oh my goodness, he did such a great job. But of course, I'm here to fulfill the promise. I'm getting ready to break down these numbers. Here we go.
All right, so this house is priced at $375,000. To one. The answer is C, $1,000. Why? Because she is renting out the house for $1,000, therefore deducting her mortgage by $1,000, therefore saving her $1,000 a month. That is the real answer. I want you to comment in the comment section below if you got it right, or comment $1,000. Comment, I got it right. I want to hear it. Now, let's get into the end of our video.
Oh, man. We have ascended the hill of psychological limitation around house hacking.
You're so funny. Also, guys, we've actually shown you a financial breakdown of what a house hack actually looks like. We've shown you a home and the process to actually get it done.
Man, AD, I think we've outdone ourselves.
I think we have, love.
Yeah, this one goes in the books, honestly.
And if you're interested in owning a home in less than 60 minutes.
He cut me off, y'all. Okay, the line was, I think we outdone ourselves, AD. And now you need to tell them about our Home Buying Masterclass.
Yes. Thank you. You should have mentioned me. Guys, if you're interested in learning about the home ownership process in less than 60 minutes, we're going to talk about the 3 Ps, right? We're talking about price, we're talking about the process, and applying for you. I want you to hit that link in the description box below that says Masterclass.
Guys, if you want to know more about me and AD or the Dapo Group, if you want to know more about this organization, please feel free to go to our website, www.thedapogroup.com, or feel free to email us at info@thedapogroup.com. We would love to be your real estate resource of choice.
Yep, so don't forget to hit that like button, give us a subscribe, share it, and until next time, we're your favorite real estate couple. My name is AD.
And I am Amanda. And until next time,
bye.